tropical places. Other places are not too cold nor too hot. Many plants and animals live in these places. The Philippines is Philippines is a tropical place. It is not too hot nor too cold. It has rain instead of snow. There are many plants and animals that grow and live in the Philippines.
Wait lang. Okay, can you spell Philippines?
Philippines. Philippines.
Very good po. Good job.
Rocks and soil. Rocks and soil are found on Earth. You can hold the rock and soil pieces. Rocks are big pieces of materials while soil has fine pieces. Rocks are used to construct houses. Soil comes from rocks. Plants grow on the soil. Ocean and seas. Ocean and seas are found on the earth too. They are big and deep bodies of water. Big ships move across oceans and seas. There are many plants and animals that live there. Lakes and ponds are smaller bodies of water. A lake is bigger than a pond. There are also plants and animals that live there.
Good job.
Rivers and streams. Rivers and streams are bodies of water too. There are moving bodies of water. Rivers are bigger than streams. More water flows in rivers than in streams. Boats move across rivers and streams.
Good job po, Baby Kali.